Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get dry, crusty sealant off a mountain bike tire. This stuff. First step, don't. You're just going to waste your time. It requires so much elbow grease, time and patience. It's not worth it. And if you think it's going to add extra weight, come on, it's going to be like 3 extra grams and you've probably already ridden 3 grams off the tire tread. Another benefit of keeping the sealant is that it will seal punches which you already have, and removing it will require the new sealant to fill up those holes again, which may be quite challenging and time consuming. So just leave it. One thing I will suggest is perhaps to remove any sealant on the edge of the tire. That way you can ensure a perfect seal is formed in the rim. So just grab it and peel it off. Just on the edge, and if there's any stubborn parts, just get a brush, soapy water, and just rub the edge, then you can peel it off. It's a pleasure. With the 3 hours that I've just saved you from a pointless exercise, go and enjoy a ride. Cheers.